Hi, this is Felipe from UserGuiding. In this video, we'll explore how to leverage the power of UserGuiding's JavaScript API to enhance your onboarding experience and take full control over your materials. Let's take a look at a couple of use cases. Imagine you've created a guide to onboard new users to your platform. At the end of the guide, you want to provide users with quick access to additional resources by allowing them to open the Resource Center directly from the guide. You can achieve this by using a custom button and adding a click action that triggers the Resource Center using a command like this. The key point is to ensure you add the Resource Center ID inside the command right here. After you save and publish your changes, clicking this button will end the guide and expand the Resource Center. Alternatively, you can use this and similar commands to trigger materials from a native button on your platform. Gathering feedback from users is essential. You can utilize our Resource Center for this and add a code snippet module so your users can trigger a survey whenever they choose. You can use the launch survey command here and add the ID of the survey you want to trigger. Now, when a user clicks on this module, our survey will pop up instantly. Our JavaScript API provides many possibilities for you to customize and amplify your user's experience. You can even add these commands inside native buttons on your application. Feel free to check our Help Center for more information on our APIs and learn about available command examples. I hope this was helpful.